Why am I saying that? Let's just start again. NOUVEAU. Went for the NOUVEAU. Why? Am I okay? NOUVEAU. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. So I'm just going to jump straight into the video, and today's video is going to be all about DCTUK's projects. So we're going to be taking a look at all the fittings this week that we've done over the UK. So the first project that I'm going to show you is for a fitting that was down in London for a charity organisation. Now, as you can see, it's a really big space, so it doesn't have to be offices. It can be anything, any business or any residential property you can have our services for and fittings. So this organisation actually went for the NOUVEAU connection tiles in dark brown. So as you can see, they've got a huge space. It's not just a full dark brown hall, so they've actually added a little flair of our design lab, and they've gone for the NOUVEAU connection tiles in sand around the outside as well. So this really adds some dimension to the property, and also by going for dark brown in the middle, it's not going to show up any dirt or any footprint. Again, it's made with stain safe technology, so there's no need to worry about that anyway. But by adding the lighter bits around the edge, it really gives the property a bit of a pop and just brings it to life. So this fitting job was actually completed in 2 days, and the customers of this job gave us a customer satisfaction form of excellent. So our next project was down in Essex, so down the London ways again. But this project, we actually have some before and after pictures, which I absolutely love because you can see how much of a difference our carpet tiles have made to the property. So again, this was a office space. So they've used the NOUVEAU CRESENT tiles and they've used the shade STARDUST. So if we look at the before pictures, you can see it's just obviously the concrete floor after the carpet was lifted up. And then if we go to the after, you can see how much of a difference carpet alone makes without even any furniture in there. It literally just brightens up the whole room, and when the sun's coming down from it on this picture here, it really stands up. So the CRESENT has got the line pattern in it. So what this company have done is they haven't fitted the lines all the one way. They've done it as like a cross hatch pattern, which again really adds more dimension, and you can create these designs in our design lab with NOUVEAU. So if you have an idea or anything like that, you can just head to design lab and put in your ideas, and our lovely NOUVEAU will come up with an idea for you. So again, if you're looking at the NOUVEAU CRESENT tiles, just think you don't have to have the straight lines all the way. You can do any design what you want with these, and I think this is such a gorgeous idea because it gives the effect of that there's light and dark tiles in there when it's actually just all one colour. And again, you can get all these tiles on our DCTUK.com website. So this company again give us a customer satisfaction rate of excellent, so just excellent across the board here. It'll be very hard for you not to give us excellent. So here we can see our next business. Now this isn't an office or a residential property, this is actually a church. So again, as said before, you can use our tiles in any property you want. Don't hesitate, just give us a call today and we can sort that out for you. So this is a huge scale church. Now this job was completed in 2 days. And again, they have gone for the NOUVEAU collection in Elite. So if you take a look at the before pictures, you can see the church is very outdated. It's obviously got that plain wooden floor, which most churches had a long time ago. And the carpet's very like dirty and worn out on the side here as well. It's a huge project, there's steps, there's stagings involved, but again, that's no problem for our DCTUK fitters. So if we look at the after pictures, this is actually my favourite before and after. You can see just what a difference this one carpet tile has made. Now, these guys haven't gone for a design, they've just gone for the one carpet tile, which again just looks really effective, and they've gone for the tiles in shade black, so really just goes with everything. Black goes with everything. everything. You'll never be able to see stains and things like that on it, which is perfect for a property like a church where there's loads of heavy footfall. Now you can actually see on this picture here the guys in action enjoying the new carpet, doing a performance in the church, which is good. And I really love the purple lighting that they've added themselves as well. It really adds a nice touch and makes the carpet pop. And this church gives us a 100% satisfaction rate, so 5 stars across the board here. So our final project of this week was down in London again, and this was for a huge office space. So you can see on these pictures here, there is so many wires and so many computers and so many desks, but again, that's not a problem for our fitters. We can work around any furniture you've got, whether that be hundreds of furniture or just one. We can work around anything. So it looks like a really complicated job, but if we go for the after pictures, you can see that it was all done with no disturb to the office workers and no disturb to all their furnishings. So these guys have gone for the NOUVEAU CARNIVAL tiles, and the shade that they have gone for is Sailor, which is a really popular choice for offices and commercial properties like this. So that is all for our fitting projects for this video, but we will be doing these videos every couple of weeks when we have a few big fitting projects in to show you, because I absolutely love showing before and afters, and I'm sure you guys do too. But let me know what your favourite project was of this video in the comments. I think mine was definitely the church project. I just absolutely love the purple lights that they've added and seeing the customers in action using the carpet as well. It was just the best before and after, in my opinion. But again, you can purchase all our tiles on our DCTUK.com website. We sell a range of carpet tiles, LVT, and anything to do with flooring you can think of. So just go on DCTUK.com, and you can also book our nationwide fitting service online as well. So don't forget to book that in. But that's all for this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.